Blackbody radiation is heat radiation.
Simply thermal electromagnetic radiation.
A state of the electromagnetic field.
In astrophysics, blackbody radiation is actually key because stars are emitting blackbody radiation.
The birth certificate of quantum mechanics.
One of the things that sparked quantum theory to emerge.
The workshop on blackbody radiation-induced effects and phenomena is about bringing together people from different fields, different directions of research that are involved with blackbody radiation and the effects of blackbody radiation.
It takes place in Vienna, in the heart of Vienna, at the Erwin Schrödinger Institute, at the Boltzmann-Gasse. This blackbody radiation workshop, which we are right now hosting here at the ESI, is mainly to connect communities.
I strongly believe in that it's very fruitful to have people who are actually doing experiments and theory, and also combining both, you actually can learn more.
Finding theorists who can explain things very clearly to me, it helps me a lot to design an experiment that isolates the effects. So I think this is a very productive collaboration that theorists and experimentalists can have.
We have 4 days. Every day we try to provide 2 overview talks where experts in the field are presenting and introducing the topics which will be further discussed in shorter talks during the day.
Each day is kind of dedicated to one scientific discipline, from cold atoms to short-range forces, over clocks to atom interferometric techniques, as well as astrophysics and cosmology.
This event is structured like a conference, but it has a lot of time for discussions. That's the idea of that workshop, for people to freely get into contact to each other without this frontal format that you usually have in talks.
Most of the important part of conferences is very often the coffee breaks and the discussions after the conference.
These informal discussions are actually really valuable because you feel more entitled. I can ask any question.
There are blackboards everywhere. You can just start everywhere a discussion at a blackboard. In the middle of the hallway, you can basically start solving equations on the toilet if you want.
So we want to merge different scientific fields and the scientists of these different fields in order that they start to talk with each other, become familiar with each other, and then also develop new ideas concerning blackbody radiation.
Joining these communities produces very new results and new research directions.
You have to meet people to get interested in collaborating and to have this collaboration working.
Without this, science will not work, at least at the current level of technology.
We have 4 days of conference and 3 social events.
From the Nahenturm over ice skating at Rathausplatz to the conference dinner. We go to Lower Austria, to a wine cellar, and afterwards we visit the Heurigen there.
The informal discussions during the social events are quite necessary for binding scientists from different communities.
Sharing common memories is very important for fostering long-term relationships between participants.
It's great to be able to have a coffee break with somebody and follow up with details on a talk. It's great to be able to reconnect with friends that I've made in physics throughout the years. So that's something I really enjoy about in-person conferences, and I think this conference so far has been great.